Hey everybody, I'm doing some renovations in the backyard. Got a palm tree that kind of grew itself in my backyard, lifted it up and potted it up, and I'm going to transplant it. I had to actually dig it out of the ground in the pot because it rooted. What I did was I pulled out two different varieties of canna lilies and butterfly ginger, which has gone crazy. Also weeding and grass grew into it, so it needs to be finished off and edged. And I also have a banana tree. I'm going to try and incorporate everything together over here on this side of the house, or this side of the backyard. And yeah, here's what it looks like. Here's the palm tree. Had to dig it out. Could not believe out of that pot. Made a really big hole. You want to do twice the width and depth, and then mix it up so it's soft. The soil is actually conditioned, so when the roots go in, it can grab on. Banana tree has been here for 3 years. This is my edging. I need to finish off and clean that up, put mulch down, feed the banana. Over here, you'll see I dug out the green leaves are butterfly ginger, smells outstanding in the flower. And then under here is like a red canna lily. I have other videos on this. And I just lifted them. They're real easy. They're like a tuber and a root. Just like that. Super easy. Here, especially because we have a lot of sand. So those guys will be going over here after I put the pot in, put a couple on either side, just kind of balance it out. I also have pagoda plants I'm going to put in over here as well. Just stuck them in the ground. Now they need to go where they're going to stay. Well, I'm sitting down on the ground. Had to dig out or cut out this palm tree out of the pot. It was so heavily rooted. Been sitting out here for, I don't know, a year or so. Used some shears, some scissors for the yard. Easy to do. And then my hole has been backfilled enough so it's not sitting too deeply. That's the key to having a good transplant, successful. I have my hoary knife, and I'm just going through, like a couple of other my videos. It's called tickling the roots. I'm not like cutting them, I'm just loosening up the soil. Like so. So it can grab on. You don't want to stick a plant in the hole that is shaped like a brick, and it just helps the plant to grow out and be successfully transplanted. So as you can see, I'm not completely done. This is like the after shot, so you can see how this got completed. I still have to go in here and drop the edging down, finish weeding out this, my banana plant right here. Behind there's the butterfly ginger. And it's transplanted really well. The big thing you need to do is make sure there's no air pockets when you put a transplant into the ground, and you water it in really well. Over here, these little guys are pagodas. Those one in the back that look like a stick behind the palm tree, the red. I did a circle, kind of a half moon of canna lily. And there's my palm that I had to dig out. This stick here, let me see if you can see it. Pagoda plant, pagoda. The tall stick is a pagoda, pagoda, another pagoda, and one more pagoda. Just wanted to show you how it looks completed. Actually, I'm going to bring this out probably another foot, so that the palm tree down here has more space to grow out. Gosh, probably 10 years from now, it will be, it could be up to about a 3-foot diameter base by around then. Depends on how happy it is where I planted it. Just have to drop mulch down, finish off the edging, and that's that. Remember to water in any of your transplants. You can see the pagodas, the leaves are like weeping. They should be upright like that. So they're just transplant shock. It's doing okay. I'll just water it in this evening. Don't water plants during the hot sun, and especially on top of them, you'll burn up the leaves. It's just, you know.